a shirt on. You are not going out without a shirt.
I don't understand. The ghost is there all the time.
I'm looking for a ghost. It doesn't have to be there all the time. Hey, ghost! You helping me find a ghost, Grandma?
Do not like, it's cold out here.
So guys, we're finding a ghost. Grandpa says there's one walking up past here sometimes. You open the garage. What the heck is going on with the freaking garage door? Holy crap!
Maybe it's a ghost.
It's probably motion activated or Grandpa. You got a BB gun! We need to find this ghost! Or move. Grandma, did you hear that?
Yes.
I got it in the dark.
Good.
Okay. I said a ghost. Yeah, but that's a decoration. The garage door was just spazzing out. Were you there? Yeah. I was outside. Stop making the garage door go off!
Why? I'm watching TV.
Sure you are! I'm freezing my ass!
Let's go back in. Maybe the ghost is too cold out here.
He has no skin on.
Let's go in.
You should be fine.
Come on, gun. Now.
And you're cold out here. Oh crap. Move it. Be careful, son. Are you sure that wasn't you making the garage door go off? It's freaking doing it again!
Anna, do not go out.
The garage door is doing it again. Grandpa's not in there.
What do you mean? I'm going in where there aren't any ghosts.
Where's the remote?
Huh?
Where's the remote?
Remote
You
what?
have a remote for the garage door.
I'm sitting here. I was at the window and come over here and sit down.
Crap, it's going off again. She pushed it. Grandma pushed it. Yeah, I know. But it's going all the way up. Last time it just went up. Yeah, because Papa closed it. I know, but I was standing right here. I didn't even touch the freaking button. Exactly! Oh, Papa. Bye! Crap, that is creepy. I'm going. Crap, it's going up again. There's no one pushing the freaking button. Bye, guys. See you in another video.